Well, I was planning on changing this intake out this morning, but it turns out they sent us the wrong one. The reason we were going to change it out is because of those two holes right there. We figure it must have backfired in super thin metal and it just blew it out. But in the process of looking around after we had another intake put on it that turned out to be wrong, I found several more things going on. We've got, looks like a small hole started there. We've got a crack there. We've got a crack there. And got a crack there. And God knows where else this thing's fixing to blow out at. And that winds up being too much stuff to try to fix. And if you look at this, see the gasket area is all in a row, just slightly offset with the tubes. This is the one they sent as a replacement, so we can't use it. Have to drop back and punt.